How to unsave pins on Pinterest. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will show you how you can unsave pins that you had saved on your Pinterest. So let's start. Simply open up your Pinterest on your mobile phone or your laptop. So once you have opened up your Pinterest, what you have to do is simply go to your profile where you will find all of your saved pins. So you can see I have all pins right here. I also have different boards. You can select a pin from a board as well, or maybe go to all pins here. Now, what you have to do is simply select a pin that you want to delete, you want to unsave. Let's go with this one. Let's say that I want to unsave this one. Simply open it up. Now you will find these three dots right here. Click on these three dots. Go to edit pin. And in here, you will be able to find the board, section, everything. And then we have this option which says delete. Click on delete and delete again. And this pin will be unsaved from your pins. You can see I had 18 pins, but now I have 17 pins because that one is deleted. And this is how you can simply go ahead and unsave any pin that you had accidentally saved, or maybe you no longer want. You can simply go ahead and unsave it anytime very easily. So yeah guys, if I were a big help, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.